Hot chicken today. Where are we going?
I don't know. Oh, do we know?
Hattie B's.
Hattie B's.
We're going to the Hattie B's hot chicken. It's one of
But
the.
make sure you pick the one that's open until 11,
Which
not
one
the
is
ones
that?
that close soon.
One on 8th Avenue. Is it open?
Hold
What's the
on.
Broadway? 8th Avenue South. 13.
Are they open? Are they open?
Closes soon at 4 p.m.
Well, can't do
The
that one.
Broadway suite.
Yeah.
one
No,
is-
we're not doing that one.
Well, that one's the one that stays open until 11.
You see?
All the other ones close at 4. Like I said, in the house.
Yeah, hot chicken Sunday. Could be any day, but we're gonna hit up BJ's in Hendersonville today. Ain't that right?
Yep, 8732. What it do? We're going out to BJ's.
And we got passenger.
Hey guys.
Hey guys,
So I'm the favorite child.
that's the
Mya.
favorite child, Mya.
Yep, that's me.
Yep. She actually picked the place, so
Yeah, because
if it's bad, it's her fault.
yeah, I'll take
And she
that.
owes gas money.
Okay, I'll take
Because
that.
everywhere else closes at 4 on a Sunday. So,
That's kind of an odd place to close, if you ask
well, I
me.
get it. Hallelujah to the Lord.
But that's in the morning.
Hey, what's the time on the BJ's?
Yeah, what time they close? What time's BJ's close?
9.
9.
I
Alright,
told you guys this inside.
I'll let y'all know how it goes. Got some other bloopers coming.
Yep.
Yep.
Shake something. Shake something.
Shake something.
Country
Yeah. Still on the way to BJ's. It's taking forever.
It's in Hendersonville.
Hendersonville.
We on the ride. Taking a ride. Taking a ride.
What do you think, Mya? Not the
about
favorite.
what?
Not the favorite child.
I am the favorite
What you
child.
gonna get?
I don't know. I know that Mom requested that she gets wings, coleslaw, and 2 orders of extra pickles.
Oh,
I don't know. I was looking at the catfish, but then I was like, why would I get catfish if I was trying to eat hot chicken?
Because the
But-
hot catfish is pretty good.
I know.
Yeah, might be on the side dish. Had to have that one on the side.
Side dish.
Side dish. Hot catfish.
Side dish Darren.
Side dish. Hot catfish.
Look, there you go. You remember that?
Spot.
Yeah, right here to the river gate. Don't block the box. They out here blocking boxes.
Oh, block box.
Block. Don't block the blocks.com.
Oh, I'm in it too.
Yeah.
Got all in it.
You're gonna get sued.
Says dude. I mean, you read the sign.
I looked right at it.
Look right at it. Don't block the box.
They got all
He
in
thought
the
he
box.
was skinnier. It's okay.
There's more wrong. But see, the people behind me is even worse.
Why? Because they stopped behind the line? Look, I got them
in the middle of it.
I got them in the mirror.
In the middle.
Oh. Nope.
Hey,
Hey, Ron.
over there in the distance. Isn't that what that says? I can't really see.
What?
Next to the,
Harbor Freight.
yeah. I
Oh.
can't see what that says.
Yeah, what's that?
Say,
I didn't
Yeah.
even read that part.
what is this Gabe's? What is this?
Yeah, I don't know. Rivergate got the weird stores.
I think Gabe's looks like.
All right, just got the BJ's hot chicken. Ain't got nothing to drink. About to go in. Mya, you eating the hot one?
I'll try it.
No drink. No drink. No drink.
Yeah, here it is.
Oh, hot. Can show you. Ooh, let's see what they talking about.
I want to see the color on that.
Catfish looking good right there, buddy.
We got, huh?
Catfish.
Ooh,
Whatever.
that's that Swan. Ain't even a real fish. What you got?
I got Medium.
Medium. Went to go get hot chicken, she get medium.
Because I don't want to die
Hey.
later. I'm
This
thinking
dude
about
right here, trucks, smell like dirty feet. And I was just seeing, he got about 17 pairs of shoes back here.
It's a hot one.
And show him the receipt.
I'll do it
Is
away.
that
Is this the way?
It's the red,
Yeah.
red slime or whatever.
All
Red
right.
hot one.
And the chicken's pretty juicy.
Is it?
How hot is it?
No. One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Huh?
I said one bite, everybody knows the rules. Well, they got a boy.
Oh, possibly.
I didn't get fries. I got tater salad. And they made the tater salad with mustard. Mustard tater salad. I don't even like mustard tater salad.
That's a good flavor.
You got a good flavor?
Mm-hmm.
Is it hot?
Not really.
Oh, really?
This potato salad is fun. Not good at all.
I think mine's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. We got a different flavor to it. Ain't bad though. Better than party foul. Yeah. Heard it here first. What do you think? Is it hot?
It's temperature hot. Good.
I mean, they could have microwaved mine and been a little hotter. You
Yeah.
gonna bite?
Sure.
Oh, Jesus.
What?
You squeeze the juices on my finger.
Oh.
It's like a dry rub. Some of that sauce.
It ain't really even that hot. In my view, the hot is flavorful, but it ain't really like hot. I mean, it got a little bit of heat to it, but and he got the hottest one. The hot what? Still
Red something.
Red.
Reds.
Whatever.
He ain't had to have another drink.
It has a good flavor, but it didn't burn me out for being the hottest one.
Still not my jam. I'll try it. But it got fries. Kind of makes you mad when you get sides and you don't like it.
Yeah.
You get
Try
the
that
hot-
catfish, huh?
You try that hot catfish?
Mhm.
Break a piece off. That's that Swami.
Come try it.
Yeah.
Temperature hot. Temperature hot. Holy. That ain't real catfish. We'll be back. Ooh, he even tried a cheesecake. It looked like gas station cheesecake.
Don't be so mean.
I'm just saying what it looked like. Sometimes you can go by the flavor. Like cheesecake, I mean, ordering cheesecake and taking a bite out of some bad cheesecake can ruin a day.
Let's find out. Good cheesecake.
Good cheesecake.
Good cheesecake, yeah.
It ain't gas station cheesecake.
No, it's not gas station cheesecake.
All right, cheesecake. All right. Oh shoot. And then when I say it's gas station cheesecake,
Nah, that ain't gas station cheesecake, bro. It's good.
yeah. Sorry.
You got a fork or a spoon?
I don't like cheesecake.
You like this one?
Or review time. One more time. All right. Mine's gonna go first.
I rate it a solid 7 out of 10. They had good menu options. The medium was very bearable. Even the hot was, but it started to make my nose run a little bit. But the medium is definitely really good if you're trying to play it safe. So, and the fry portion.
Everybody knows what that sound is.
The fry portion is really big. So, and the pickles are great. So I give it a 7.
No, I get it. Alright, Alex, what you got? What you got on the what you give them?
I'm gonna go with 7 out of 10. 7 sounds good. I got the hottest one they got. It didn't burn me out. It's like a dry rub.
We still ain't got nothing to drink.
Still ain't got nothing to drink. So I mean, so it's 7. I mean, it was hot, good flavor. Catfish was good. Cheesecake was good. Yeah. So.
Alright, well I go in on them. BJ's Hot Chicken. They got 2 locations. One Hendersonville, one Murfreesboro Pike somewhere. It was alright. I give them by 6.5.
I'd come again.
It's alright. The hot, it didn't burn me out. I mean, we didn't get anything to drink. Forgot to get something to drink. So at least it was enjoyable. Instead of just like you got some hot chicken and it ruined your day. Potato salad, no go. I mean, I eat it, but it wasn't very good. Well, yeah, check them out. Pretty nice. Service was nice, clean looking inside. Yeah. Oh, roller skate stand up here. We trying to get close to them.
I saw a car that looked just like Buzz, you know, same color, looked like it, and I was like, that's my car. My car's dead, so R.I.P. Buzz.
R.I.P. Buzz. He dipped out on it.
Skated. Skated.
Skate. Well, got a good review in. Driving back to his house. His house, little mouse.
Oh, I see it. It's up there.
Oh, it's way up there. Mate. Huh? What up? Goofy and Goofy.
Check baby, 1, 2, 3. Check baby, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, what up? So we finna head out to the graduation. Do some, I don't know.
What's graduation?
That guy's kind of an asshole in the store.
Yeah. He's got the look all over his face.
Look, I told you right there. They got the mythosaur.
He's driving a mythosaur.
They got the dang mythosaur right there. Got it in the parking lot.